What's up there, handsome feller? Apollo. What do you think of that name? How you doing, bud? Can I scratch you? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What a good boy. Thank you, man. You're not usually friendly unless there's food involved. I'll take it, man. Thank you. You're a good. You're a good goat, man. Good looking. And them freaking balls. Holy crap, dude. You are a specimen, sir. Oh, and there's pee all over your face too. Look at that shit. Oh, it is time. Yes, sir. Dude, you are awesome. Look at your yellow face, your yellow beard. That is so sexy. Just the smell of it kind of gets me randy, dude, man. It's awesome. I love you, dude.